Cole, thanks. The city of Pickens is bringing back a sound some people say is a fond memory from childhood.
It alerts people about emergencies. Ariana Meadows explains.
The city of Pickens is bringing back the outdoor warning siren. It will sound similar to a fire cue. It's been 25 years since the warning siren was taken down from a water tower. It was originally used to alert firefighters to emergencies. Firefighters used to test the siren every Saturday to make sure it was in working condition. Some residents say the sound is a core memory from their childhood.
I can just remember playing in the yard as a little girl on Saturdays, and when the siren ran off, you knew that it was lunchtime, time to go eat.
From now on, it will alert residents to potential life-threatening weather conditions. The city says the siren is a simple, proven tool that adds another layer to the community's safety. A lot of work has gone into bringing it back.
Several people gave their time and their energy to put it back to life, and they sandblasted it, they repainted it, and now they're getting ready to put it back up, and it's going to be doing back like it did in the golden days, as they called it.
Just like the golden days, the alarm will sound every Saturday at noon. If you hear the siren outside of any testing times, officials encourage you to seek shelter immediately and check trusted sources for weather updates.
They'll sound the alarm, and then that gives people the indication to go check the local news and NOAA and weather radio and make sure that they know what to do. So it's even though it's a fun novelty, it's also going to serve as a good safety piece as well.
The city will place the siren on the water tower on Tuesday. In Pickens, Ariana Meadows, 7 News.
During installation and testing, that area around the water tank may be closed off at times. The city says keep an eye out for announcements online for any planned tests.